Hey, welcome to Sense for Starters. Want to save $1,000 in 2025? I'm sharing a simple budgeting plan that helped me save big as a beginner. No fancy apps needed. This 3-step guide is perfect for students, young professionals, or anyone starting out. Hit subscribe and let's make your savings grow. Step 1. Set a clear savings goal. Write Save $1,000 by December 2025 T's in a notebook. That's about $84 a month or $20 a week. Having a specific target keeps you motivated. Break it down. $20 a week is just skipping two $10 takeout meals. Step 2. Make a bare bones budget. List your monthly income, say $2,000. Write down must-pay expenses, rent, groceries, bills. Let's say that's $1,500. The leftover $500 is your wiggle room. Cut $100 from wants and put $84 toward savings. Keep it simple and stick to it. Step 3. Track and tweak every week. Each Sunday, spend 5 minutes checking your notebook. Small tweaks add up. For example, I saved $50 a month by packing lunch. Automate your $20 weekly savings for extra discipline. That's how you save $1,000 in 2025. Set a goal, make a budget, track weekly. Start today and comment. What are you saving for? Need a budget planner? Check the link below. Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly tips to master your money.